Hello students, I am Shubhashish. Today we are going to learn the new topic data handling. Have you ever seen horizontal or vertical bars on TV or in the newspaper? Have you wondered what they are and how they are created? Those are called bar graphs. Bar graphs are a visual tool used to represent data clearly. Bar graphs make it easy to compare different sets of information by using bars to show quantities. Help us understand and compare information quickly and clearly. Whether it's tracking sports scores, comparing prices, or looking at survey results, bar graphs turn complex data into easy-to-read visuals. Learning about bar graphs can help you make sense of everyday information and see patterns more clearly. Learning outcomes. After the completion of this lesson, you will be able to understand what a bar graph is and how it represents data. Read and interpret information from a bar graph. Draw bar graphs to represent given data using appropriate scales and labels. Keywords from this lesson: bar graphs, frequencies, scale, x-axis, y-axis, vertical bars, horizontal bars. In this session, we will focus on what are bar graphs, how they are used to understand the data, and how they are represented or drawn. Bar graphs. Bar graphs are generally used to represent independent observations with frequencies. In bar graph, bars of uniform width are drawn horizontally or vertically with equal spacing between them. The length or height of the bars represents the frequency of the data items. Graph consists of two axes, x and y axis. The x-axis is also known as abscissa. The y-axis is also known as ordinate. The point where the x-axis and the y-axis meet is called origin. Let us see some examples on how to interpret the bar graph. Read the following bar graph shown in figure and answer the following questions. What is the information given by the bar graph? The bar graph shows the number of copies of Mathematics of Class 6 sold by a bookseller during the period from April 2020 to September 2020. In which month did the sale of the book is maximum? In June month, the sale of the book is maximum. In which month did the sale of the book is minimum? In May month, the sale of the book is minimum. What is the total sale of the book during these 6 months? Total sale of the book during 6 months is 350 plus 300 plus 900 plus 800 plus 550 plus 400 equals to 3,300 books. Let's see one more example. Read the bar graph shown in figure and answer the following questions. What is the information given by the bar graph? The bar graph shows the number of commercial banks in India during the year 1977 to 1985. What was the number of commercial banks in 1977? The number of commercial banks in 1977 are 90. State whether true or false. The number of commercial banks in 1983 is more than the number of commercial banks in 1985. False. What was the number of commercial banks in 1985? The number of commercial banks in 1985 are 230. Let's see one more example. Travelling time from Hyderabad to Tirupati by different means of transportation are car 10 hours, bus 12 hours, train 15 hours, aeroplane 1 hour. Represent the information using a bar diagram. Solution. In order to construct a bar graph representing the above data, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Take a graph paper and draw two mutually perpendicular lines called x and y axis. Step 2. Along x-axis, mark means of transport, and along y-axis, mark number of hours, that is travelling time. Step 3. Along x-axis, choose the uniform width of the bars and the uniform gap between them. Step 4. Choose a suitable scale to determine the height of the bars according to the availability of space. Here we choose 1 centimeter equals to 2 hours on y-axis. Let us see another example. In a school, there are 5 sections of class 7. The number of students in each section is given below. Construct a bar graph representing this data. Solution. In order to construct a bar graph representing the above data, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Take a graph paper and draw two mutually perpendicular lines called x and y axis. Step 2. Along x-axis, mark sections, and along y-axis, mark number of students. Step 3. Along x-axis, choose the uniform width of the bars and the uniform gap between them. Step 4. Choose a suitable scale to determine the height of the bars according to the availability of space. Here we choose 1 centimeter equals to 10 students on y-axis. Points to remember. Bar graphs. Use bars to represent data with the height for vertical bars or length for horizontal bars, showing the quantity or frequency. Uniform width. Bars should have the same width and be evenly spaced to ensure clarity. Reading bar graphs. To find out the value represented by a bar, look at the height or length of the bar and match it to the scale on the graph. Thanks for watching.